flying back to abroad after 4 years. 6E, my favorite. 1 to 26. Flying over 30,000 feet. Nó là bang get Dubai nang lẽ lo. Terminal 3. Good morning, flying back to abroad after 4 years. That is today I'm going to fly UAE, that is Dubai, from Indira Gandhi International Airport in New Delhi to Dubai. So that's my boarding pass, and I have done all my official stuffs, right? Security check-in. Good morning from Indira Gandhi International Airport in New Delhi. Right now, we are in Terminal 3. We are about to departure to UAE, that is Dubai, and we have got a boarding pass. Yes, we have all got a boarding pass. We are ready to fly. We are excited. Bye bye. Yes, now I'm proceed to gate number 8B. So that's the view. So I'm following the gate number actually. Keep watching. I'm so excited flying abroad after 4 years. My first international trip was in BKK, Bangkok, that is Thailand, and now flying back again after 4 years. That's the overview. Victoria's Secret and the Bailey airport lounge actually. Pojer piduan pinige ningkan plia fit nili aku foreign trip mate abroad damji non kedo nili Delhi airport, Indira Gandhi International Airport, nili non terminal 3 long sidalo terminal 3 long baggage claim, boarding pass lapen ke security check-in, immigration tang lapen fit aron tang lapen fit nona bangke gate anong nambom no gate number ke 7B. Gate 1 to 6 26 an kasila swat at towards the nangko non damig bom no nanglang tunig bom ningkan clear fit foreign trip ju dami aprang ketam chenge BKK Bangkok lo Thailand no lapen la so fit non UAE Dubai lo lasi tadu ko betami kun phalang bu sening chithelo cardom kaching hojir project bidwa ahir jo michi pisara na 1 to 26 la so tawalo rot ahem ardulia frang hai rồi yo odak aron du hai security check in duji immigration pu hong nam te immigration sai ta klem nang kok ta domestic flight có thể năng ni lại lo view rồi không anh tụi này không đã cái ra brain là tụi làm luôn rồi proceed bomb rồi chỉ ra mu là mấy thang pin đen chính thang con lép xì đầm rồi đi ra rồi là giảm biết thon luôn mấy thang pin đen chính thang con lép này mấy thang pin đen xung pot cái chính con vec này mới thì là chính thang con lép xì đầm rồi là nàng làm tôi đi có mua đếm thêm video smoking room. Guys, now reach gate number 7 and there is a gate number my boarding gate number is gate number 7B that is inside here. Ardom kaching honjir pojir pida non iligido Indira Gandhi International Airport along ilitum mithang pindeng mate mithang joy hong thor ching thang left pen ning kang sam kachip prek do lasin nilinu be airplane sar jab sar lo ladak la bangso Singapore airline nilining ke top nai airline do ke Turkish airline son si do la Air India bathong do la hai asil itum lan so se mithang ijutang jubat ilamiki lapan ke binding sumpot lan so se kapat chanji phangeli tum kai ki mata chirok tok nei ase lan so se mithang ke jan ching on pen lan so se ilitum tap prang dunang ulamang so akhir jume nilihin pen asap su lase nalitum tame du mithak me lan so se ilitum ke jan ching on na binding sumpot pachan kardo. I think this is a Nokia. I reached in Terminal 3, gate number 7, watching a beauty of the airplane. And can you see that behind this Finnair there is a Singapore airline, my favorite, and Turkish airline, Air India, Vistara. I just love it as an aviation lover. And a few seconds ago, I got to see a 747 of a Singapore airline. Okay, already take off. As an aviation lover, now I'm going to spot the airplane. I just love it, guys. Good morning, guys. I got to see my favorite airplane, a Singapore airline. As an aviation lover, I just love a plane spotting as well. Now, check out the plane spotting. Behind this Finnair, there is a Singapore airline. Can you see that? One of my favorite airline, and that is Turkish airline. Air India, yeah, and Vistara. Yeah, look at this. I guess this is an Indigo. That is Indigo going to land. Thank you, uncle.
Welcome, sir.
Yes. Tante, nó mặt cái chú. Nè là dim năng lelo, hú là cái Indigo là bên cái Air India airplane si pang hong plane đó. Nil tung cái đam ý bằng là bên gali hay, alapu international mati. Kasi apu hinat bang, apu bang cái Singapore Airline nili thik long lo, là bên cái Air India là si Air India gali lo, Turkish Airline thik long lo. 747 Singapore Airline take off alo. See you. Kasi thế lắm. Là số xe lý tung đi tầm bây giờ bị thang pin đen mà để trôi hông kia hông thor lấy yo. Pin đen chim thang lép pen. Để là puson cái đinh chim sam pin mi lo. Là sẽ làm số xe lý tung pin đen support là pen cái làm luôn cho tăng chú bát làm số xe bắt chăn làm na. Để tung làm số xe bị thang khi hijan chim hon pen làm số xe thiệt group thiệt hip pen lấy lý tung tô luôn na. Là sẽ đây họ anh quý vị. Indigo, Air India, penerbangan ke international flight ada bilang, opportunity begitu. Setelah pun ada bang view meo mana pun ada dia. Airline ready for takeoff. Take about. On board right now, 6E, my favorite. Yes. Welcome back to 6E. About to take off now. I have a beautiful journey with 6E. My first time flying 6E in 2019, and now again 2024 as well. I'm still flying with 6E, so I have a good relations with 6E. But you know, guys, I'm a 747 lover. 60 don't have 747, but then nation Bharat ki jai ho. I have an extra leg room.
10 minutes away. Our aviators today are Captain Ankit Gandhi and First Officer Kelvin. Alongside our crew members are Bhumika, Ashwini, Sanjana and I, Hema, your lead cabin crew member. We can speak Hindi and English. From always safe to service from the heart, we are committed in making your journey hassle-free and comfortable. Your cooperation with crew instructions help us provide you a pleasant journey. As your travel companions, it is simply wonderful to connect you with India by Indigo. Thank you. Crew to take your positions, please.
Đúng, đang cái nó bằng cái R2 chỉ tháp luôn, chỉ tháp S bên, nó này rồi là cái yêu tung cái khiriki polo, mà thế Windows seat tung rồi, là gì? Yes, welcome back after 4 years flying to airport. Mati Indigo, and I have good relations with 60 because they can get change flight das Indigo no. Tapi juga kanon second time in international kang jar sudah semua flight kan mana. Kita mainly 747 dua variant tu Boeing 747.
रो एक के अलावा हमारी एजेंसीज अब मात्र 599 के शुल्क पर उपलब्ध है. धन्यवाद. May I have your attention please? I buckle में डालें.
If the aircraft has slides or slide rafts, board the nearest draft on exit. Tampering with or removing the life jacket without crew authorization is prohibited and punishable. In case of an emergency landing, slides or slide rafts may be deployed.
Flying over 30,000 feet with stand 23 in the behind about to land. How do you feeling? Excited? Excited to see what? Bye. Hi. Where are you from? Where are you from?
You must speak English.
Okay. It's okay. Good. Happy. Yes. Thank you. luxurious airplane is over here. Qatar Airways. That's the real view of that's the Emirates, guys. Reached the Dubai airport in Terminal 4 and now done a baggage claim. I got my luggage. That's my luggage. Nó bang ke Dubai nak lea lo. Lapen bag da silong lo. Nó bang ke hotel tampo. Geprek. View tu nampak lang tu. That's Dubai, man. 35 degrees Celsius over here.
पेट्रोल का प्राइस जो है वो 2.50 है पर 1 लीटर। 2.50 दिरहम AED। जैसे कि अगर आप लेना चाहें पेट्रोल की जगह पानी तो पानी आपको एक्सपेंसिव पड़ेगा। पेट्रोल आपको रिजनेबल प्राइस में यहाँ हाफ लीटर पानी की बोतल आपको मिलेगी आम नॉर्मल किसी आप पेट्रोल पंप से लेंगे या बिग शॉप से तो 2 दिरहम की मिलेगी हाफ लीटर में होगी। अगर आप वो दुबई माल से हाफ लीटर की बोतल लेंगे तो आपको मिलेगी 14 दिरहम की, 14 दिरहम की, 14 दिरहम वही हाफ लीटर की बोतल। लेकिन पेट्रोल की कहीं से भी आप डलवाएंगे गाड़ी में तो वो 2.50 AED में ही मिलेगी। और राइट साइड पे हमारा डेरा गोल्ड शॉप और
स्टोर से खरीदना है।
रोड से जाते हुए किसी को अथेंटिक शॉप से खरीदना है विद बिल के साथ खरीदना। व्यू का जो मेन नेचुरल ब्रेक है ये उसका व्यू है। ये ब्रेक जो पानी
और नजदीक जाएगा क्या? खलीफा का नजदीक जाएगा भी फास्ट है।
अभी भी काम
दुबई।
ये दुबई का ट्रेन है।
What's your name? Start hotel. One and only Dubai.